It's an enduring moment, seen only a few times in a generation. White smoke rises from the chimney above the Sistine Chapel, the ancient signal that a new pope has been chosen. Thousands gathered in St. Peter's Square erupted in celebration. Cardinal Robert Francis Prevost has been elected as the 267th Pope of the Roman Catholic Church. He takes the name Pope Leo XIV. His election came on the second day of the papal conclave, during the fourth or fifth round of voting by 133 cardinals. The conclave is an age-old process marked by prayer, silence, and deep reflection. Cardinals are completely cut off from the outside world, seeking divine guidance as they cast their votes. And now, history is made. Pope Leo XIV is the first pope ever to be born in America. Born in 1955 in Chicago, Illinois, he joined the Augustinian order and pursued mathematics at Villanova University. He later devoted himself to a life of service, becoming a bishop and then cardinal, respected for his pastoral care and calm, steady leadership. Fluent in multiple languages and experienced in global outreach, Pope Leo XIV brings with him a spirit of compassion and unity. He is seen as a bridge builder, someone who understands the modern world while holding firmly to the Church's timeless teachings. As he stepped onto the balcony and gave his first papal blessing, the world stood still for a moment, hopeful and inspired. The Catholic Church now turns the page to a new era under the leadership of Pope Leo XIV. His journey begins, and the world is watching. Welcome, Pope Leo XIV. If you found this update informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more breaking news and in-depth stories from around the world.